welcome to Mindful Creative Muse. Today I'm so excited to share with you a beautiful gratitude feathers practice. So this simple mindful art practice is really fun to do in groups. So all of these were used from a very similar template. Cutting out that template, you have the option once it's created to write on the feather, perhaps a quote or an encouraging message or phrase of gratitude. You also can embellish with different sorts of materials, such as feathers, magazine clipping, ribbons, and threads, as well as the type of paper and backing that you use can be really interesting. This one, which I really love, says trust the process, and you can choose to have additional embellishments or support here on the base so you can actually really hold on to the gratitude feather. While making gratitude feathers, it's really lovely to reflect on things that you are currently grateful for in your life, as well as what type of gratitude you'd like to bring into your life going forward. This one says, stand tall, be proud of your efforts. And what's really nice is when you gift these, if you create these in a group with either a workshop or one of my online classes that'll be coming up at mindfulcreativemuse.com. What I love about gratitude feathers, when you're collaborating and sharing with a group, you have a collection of different quotes that you may otherwise have not even thought of or been introduced to. This one says, strength and courage are available to us all. Remember your beautiful, resilient spirit. Today I wanted to share just a sneak peek of some of what you can do and create with gratitude feathers. If you'd like to create more with a group and collaborate and share some of these with each other, definitely keep an eye out on my website at mindfulcreativemuse.com so you can join in with a community. You'll receive guidance on how to create the feathers, a template, as well as how to dive deeper into your own gratitude, as well as connecting with others. So thanks so much again for your time. Please like this video if you found this interesting. Subscribe to be notified about any of our upcoming videos. And until next time, be well.